Guys, welcome back to a new video. It's your boy Katz here, and today I'm gonna be, Loopy Kitty's video on scam drama. It's been going crazy, yeah, viral. It hasn't been a. Probably wondering why I'm on this account. It's because Cats for Lives got suspended for a day, for saying apparently rapping. They thought I said raping. What the heck? Okay, you know what, guys? Honestly, Animal Jam has got to update the chat system. But that's not the point of today's video. You know that scam drama that's been going around? I've admitted it before that I've scammed. Yes, I've scammed 2 hairdressers on Monique, but she has no right to scam 14 black lungs out of me. You're fucking kidding me, right, dude? Sorry for excuse my French on that, because I had no plan or intentions on saying that word. Anyway, I'm first we became buddies, okay? I met Monique once in the trading. She came to my den or I went to her den. I can't remember very well. So yeah, honestly, it was kind of crazy the way we met. We ended up doing some crazy drama and ended up marrying each other on Animal Jam. Honestly, now I feel like it was so weird. It didn't work out. We broke up. Blah blah blah. We got that point away. It's just so weird why you'd marry anyone in AJ. Anyway, Monique, I'm not trying to offend you. So yeah, then I believe I got scammed. I lost a beta tiara. Yeah, I lost my beta tiara. Then Monique was upgrading her wrist so quick. She was on a party at Black Long. She overtraded the party and the Black Long for the rare item when they headdress. Okay, so yeah, she was not willing to help me. I was like asking for help, like seriously, please help me, something like that. Then she said something about no begging, and she didn't help me at all. That's probably why I plotted revenge on scamming her first ride on Monday Hedges. Basically, I wasn't even having any intentions till I got to the point where I was like being ignored constantly. It's just so annoying. It's just so annoying how scammers can be sometimes. Then there's this time she scammed my dark pink headdress. I'm talking about most of the scams. I've scammed black lungs, blah blah blah. Yes, I'm very known for scamming. You can probably here's Loopy Kitty's video right here. She just mentioned the fact that I was teaming with her and Monique was plotting revenge. We got that. Now, guys, if you look here, Cats for Lives. Yeah, Cats for Lives is a scammer. He scammed the ride Monday Hedges. Cats for Lives scammed. I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be mine. Yes, I've been scammed as well. Bunny Cheek scammed 40 beaters, blah blah blah. Anyway, the point of this video is saying about the scams. I mean, it's not my fault I had any intentions on scamming. Yes, I thought it was a free ticket to getting her, but honestly, it's just making other jammers feel sad. Will I continue to scam? That's a great question, but I really don't want to keep scamming. Only if I'm left with no choice, and it's not nice to scam. I have no idea how many times I can say scam in a video. Anyway, when my when my beta when my beta tiara was scammed, that's when I scammed Nick's Red Monday headdress. So yeah, I was crying after I scammed her headdress. I'm not lying. I wish I made a video on it, but I wasn't a recorder back then. We got all that stuff. Anyway, the point of this video is saying scamming is not nice, okay? I mean, technically, what I was trying to say is, then I'm having a really hard time explaining this, just like Loopy Kitty. Anyway, then the next scam was, oh yeah, that's when she got her revenge. I gave her a green long or two to help her after I scammed her. She plotted revenge on me, and we were planning to scam a bunch of other jammers to help Minnie get real quicker, same. And yeah, I mean, technically, this wasn't my plan at all. Then she backstabbed me. She said, give me the prize so I'd look trustworthy so people do better. Okay? I was so gullible, I ended up crying. Yes, she scammed my 2 black longs, a red long, a couple of other longs, I can't remember. And yes, I mean, do I feel bad about scamming? Yes, I do. It's not a nice feeling, but I'm left with no choice. What also happened, now this is the time I plan. Then she scammed me again off a dark pink address. I mean, seriously, I was using Polum23425, my old account, to scam. I got a red long, blah blah blah. I was up to a dark pink headdress and a black long. I was about to get a tan headdress. Then this is when Monique took advantage of my account. I was gonna share some prizes with her, and then she scammed my dark pink headdress. She hacked my account. She took the dark pink headdress. Then she ended up making a bunch of lame excuses for up to an hour, saying, I didn't scam your hairdress. Maybe it was Bunny's classmate. For Bunny Love. Honestly, I'm not trying to accuse anyone of this, but it's all Monique's fault on this, okay? I mean, technically, it was her intention to scam me, okay? Then this is when I scammed her ride Monday hairdress. We were doing trust. I started making some excuses saying you guys were like my best buddies until you tried to betray me. I was so suspicious because last night, I don't mean last night, it was like a way night before. Anyway, so I'm just gonna pretend it was last night. So last night, Monique said, yeah, Bunny's totally trustworthy if you trust her and then stuff. My guess was they were trying to plan to scam me back. So yeah, this is when the next morning I ended up saying, Monique, do you trust me? She said no. Then I said, please, please. Then she ended up saying fine. And that's when the scam arrived Monday headers. Honestly, I've got to say, I've scammed about four black longs in total. I'm not sure. Meanwhile, Monique scammed 14 black longs callers with. Just how fucking insane is that? I mean, excuse my French again. Anyway, I'm not trying to be offensive to anyone, but yeah, I've got to blame this on Monique. I mean, really, Monique. I thought we were like friends. I mean, seriously, what the heck? Really? Just betray your own friend first? I admit I've done that sometimes. I'll tell you more scamming. So basically, I've teamed up with Loopy Kitty and Bunny about a couple weeks ago. I'm not sure, before Bunny betrayed me. A couple weeks ago. And so yeah, we were planning to scam a bunch of jammers. Guys, if I had a nickel for every time I've said scammed in this video, I could probably afford a Hershey's bar. I have no idea what I could buy. But yeah, I mean, honestly, this is the time when I also teamed up with Fred Kitten 9. He was helping part of the scam. Yeah, he was helping part of the scam. And I scammed a black long collar. Honestly, that I was so happy because I could afford my dream item, but honestly, that was not the way. This is probably when Karma stabbed me in the back, and yes, I got scammed by me 10 headdress. I ended up crying for a whole freaking day. Excuse my French again, I've gotta stop cursing. I mean, seriously, I'm just so mad about this. Anyway, guys, it's been kind of crazy about this scam drama. Technically, I'm saying try your best not to scam. I've got to admit, we've all scammed at one point, okay? And yes, do not blame Loopy Kitty on anything. I mean, yes, she scammed. She tricked me saying she'll give me 20 damn beaters out of 60 when she scammed. Jamal, Jamal, Jamal X days. Okay, I can't remember. Oh. Okay, I can't remember. Anyway, I mean, Monique has scammed me. And yes, Bunny has never scammed me, but she's been teaming with Monique and stuff. Oh yeah, you guys probably know why Bunny's on my buddy list right now. because this is my backup and she's forgotten to embody me. I mean, I have no idea why. Probably because she has like 1,000 buddies and she can't even click my username. Why won't I embody her? I just want to see her do it for herself, honestly. I mean, seriously. I don't want to look like the wimp on this one. So yeah, guys, the scam drama's getting kinda crazy. You know, I'm just gonna end this video. Bye.